One of the key features is for commissioning. When the system's fully commissioned, you can have a full report detailing calls to flat, calls answered, doors open. It proves to the end user or developer that this system has been fully commissioned. The benefits of the reporting for the commissioning, apart from proving to the end user that the system's been handed over, if there's latent defects and the end user or the developer coming back to the installer saying, well, this wasn't tested fully, it gives the installer the backup to say, here's the report, it tells you everything that's been tested and proven working. So this is not a defect at handover, it's been a latent defect after handover. Protects the installation and commissioning company.